accessories on it tomorrow. And then I'll show you guys. I'll come back and show you, but not too bad. It would take me a lot less time if I went through it straight to, but I had to stop here and there for my toddler. But I think I love it. It looks good. I did better with the parts this time because I used this right here instead. I'll show you. Use this. So I'll put some accessories on it. But yes, this is hairstyle for the next couple weeks. My vacation hairstyle. Okay, once I put more accessories on it, I'll come back and show you guys. But so far, so good. I love the length. So yeah, I have really, my hair is not dense, it's very thin, so that's why it looks like this, but I still love it. I think I did a good job. Okay. So nice and beautiful. I love it. And my hair is giving. I love it. We're about to what is that? It's like 8 o'clock now. We're gonna get to the pool. Gonna eat breakfast. Yeah, beautiful day.